Wood stoves, no matter what type, what size, what design, what pattern, always makes your shiny stainless steel vessels completely black. Whether it's a Stanley cup or it's a Keshwa container like this one, the bottom line is that it always gets black. Now, to prevent stainless steel vessels from getting burnt or getting black, getting soot all over it, many people apply soap onto it or something like that. You can even take mud and apply mud or a clay pack onto it, and that prevents it. But what I have found to be most useful has been this powder. Now, if you see over here, it's written kaolin. Can you see? Yeah, kaolin light pure. So kaolin is what I will be using, and for that I'm going to take a little bit of water. Let me center it, yeah, and take this powder and add it into the water. There it goes. Okay. Now, once it's added into the water, it becomes quite a paste, something like plaster of Paris. So you can actually be using plaster of Paris for this. You can use mud, clay, a lot of things can be used. This is what I use, just works well for me and prevents my utensils from going black. I know there are some people who just love black utensils. It gives it a more authentic campfire feel, but I don't like my vessels to go black. I want them to remain shiny white. So this is all that you do. Apply a layer of it and allow it to go dry. Now, you see, it also quite quickly starts drying up. So anyway, once this is dry, I'll get back to you and I'll show you what I'll do further. So you can see the bottom of the pot has already started going completely black. However, when we wash it, we'll come to know to what extent kaolin was successful on preventing the stainless steel from turning completely black. Okay, so before I go washing it, here's the pan and I have used it to make my tea, and you can see there's completely blackened. The entire surface is blackened. So let's start seeing how efficiently can we clean it up. Sorry, that was an interruption by a phone call, but here I go. You see that? Almost all of it is clearly removed. What you're seeing is in real time. So in a quick light scrub, okay, so this was a quick light scrub and you see that the pan is shiny as new. A little more scrubbing with a little bit of detergent and that should take care of it all. There you have it. Let me show it to the camera how effective it is. All this is the baked kaolin which is coming out. There you go. There this goes. This side a little bit, a scrub here and a scrub there. Yep. A little bit remaining. Scrub the inside. Yeah. So there you have it. My stainless steel utensil, shiny as before. Now there is a little bit of staining that is still seen over here, so I give it another scrub up. There it goes. Okay, so there you have it, a shiny utensil, back again, no staining, nothing at all. So let me wipe this and I'll share my final thoughts with you. So here you have it. This is the vessel, shiny, clean, once again. Now, why do I prefer kaolin over other things? For one, kaolin forms, uh, after it dries up, it forms a coating. It forms more like a layer over the vessel, and that layer remains hard, and it prevents the vessel from getting corroded or stained in any way. This for me has been by far the best method to keep my stainless steel utensils absolutely shiny. Yeah, this is the kaolin which is just touched over here. So that's it, guys. Try this out. If you have any other suggestion, do let me know, and thank you for staying with me till the end of this video.